Hey guys, welcome to question MM336 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. So, we've got this question that says the function with rule g of x has a derivative g dash of x equals 1 over 2x take 3. Now given that g of 6 equals log e of 4, find g of x in this form, which we will do. So, first things first is we know what g dash of x is, and we're trying to find g of x, which means we're going to have to integrate g dash of x. So, g of x is going to be equal to our integral of g dash of x. Cool. From here we can then just sub that in. So g dash of x we know is 1 over 2x take 3 dx. Now, we don't have a calculator for this, which means we're going to have to just go by what we know. Now, the integral of 1 over 2x take 3 is log e of 2x take 3, but this coefficient of x goes under a 1. Okay, so we go 1 over whatever the coefficient of x is here. So we get 1/2 log e of 2x take 3. Awesome. We need to remember our plus c, because we're trying to find a function here. And that's our first mark. Alright, so our first mark comes there. And now we need to figure out what this c is. So that's what this piece of information here is for. So g of 6 equals log e of 4, which means that log e of 4 equals 1/2 log e of 2 times 6. So 12 minus 3 plus c, which means that 1/2 log e of 9 plus c. Sweet. So according to one of our log laws, this number out the front can go to the power of whatever's inside this bracket, because we don't like having these numbers out the front here. So what happens is we get log e of 9 to the power of 1/2 plus c, log e of 4. And then we can get, so 9 to the power of 1/2 is the same as square root of 9. So what we get is log e of 3 here, plus c. So then c is equal to log e of 4 minus log e of 3. Now according to one of our other log laws, when we minus two logs with the same base and the same number at the front, we can join them into one and divide the insides. So we get log e of 4 on 3 there. So that means that g of x is equal to 1/2 log e of 2x take 3 plus c, which is log e of 4 on 3. Sweet. Now from here, again, we don't like these numbers out the front because we actually want the answer in the form that's given to us in the question, which is log e of a root bx plus c over d. Okay, so we want it all in one log, okay, which means that we're going to have to take this number here and we're going to put it to the power of everything in this bracket. So remember, whenever we do something to the power of 1/2, it's the same as square rooting that. So we get square root of 2x minus 3 plus log e of 4 on 3. Now, because we are adding these two logs, they have the same base and the same number at the front, we can multiply whatever's inside. So we get log e of root 2x take 3 times 4 on 3, which equals log e of 4 root 2x take 3 over 3, which is exactly what form we wanted it in. We go from this form, and that's what we get here. This is our second and final mark for this question, guys. That wraps up MM336. Please hit me up if you have any questions in the comments below. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.